In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a product not showing on Shopify. If you've added a product to your store, but you can't see it on your website, in your online store, or on other sales channels, it's usually because of a few simple settings. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to look and what to change so your product becomes visible and ready to sell. First, head over to your Shopify dashboard and log into your store. Once you're in the admin panel, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Products. This is where all of your existing items are listed. Take a moment to confirm you're on the All Products view so you can see everything. Next, find and click on the specific product that isn't showing up. This will open the Product Details page. Here you can edit things like the title, description, images, and pricing, but we're going to focus on the settings that control visibility. On the top right of this product page, look for the status section. This is a small panel that indicates whether your product is a draft, active, or archived. Click on the drop-down in this section and make sure the status is set to active. Setting it to active tells Shopify that this product is ready to sell via your selected sales channels and markets. Now, scroll a little and locate the publishing section. Here you should see where your product is being made available, like your online store or other channels. Click on the small configure or settings icon in this section. A window will open showing all your available sales channels. In this window, check the toggles next to each sales channel. Make sure that all the channels you want to sell on are enabled for this product. If a channel is turned off, that product won't appear there, even if it's active. When everything looks correct, click Done to save those publishing settings. After that, scroll down on the product page and on the left side near the bottom, look for the Theme Template section. Click on the drop-down field there. Make sure the product is assigned to the correct product template for your theme, usually something like Product or your main product template. If the wrong template is selected, the product page might not display as expected. Once you've checked the status, publishing channels, and theme template, save your changes. Your product should now show up properly on your Shopify store and any enabled sales channels.